Vinit Machines, India's leading manufacturer of lathe machines since 1979, has always been at the forefront of product innovation, quality excellence, and customer service. We specialize in manufacturing highly advanced, extra heavy-duty lathe machines, which are rigid, expertly crafted, and designed to engineering standards for stable and superior performance. The unique specifications of our extra heavy-duty lathe machines make them a perfect choice for numerous applications in oversized turning, mainly used in rolls, pipes, shafts, in various industries like paper mill, sugar factory, rubber roll manufacturer, valve industries, shipping industries, steel plant, forging industries, foundries, hydraulic job manufacturing, and various industries. Extra heavy-duty lathe machine mainly select with their width of bed, center height, spindle bore and length of bed, accordingly with their job specification and size. Our technical team will be helpful to select lathe machine according to your job. Precision, quality and time-bound delivery. The three prime key points which led to the extra heavy-duty lathe machine manufacturing in Vinit Machines Private Limited. Whether it's turning, facing, boring, threading, drilling, tapping, chamfering, or various other engineering applications, Vinit's extra heavy-duty lathe machines assure powerful performance. Vinit Machines is more than just a machine manufacturing organization. We embody a legacy of over 4 decades, the trust of more than 5,000 customers, and a global presence in over 25 countries. Vinit Machines, made in India, made for the world.